Okay, hello all. This is the last video of the chapter 13 of the statistical graph. That is the teaching example about the scatter diagram. Scatter diagram in Chinese is called 散點圖. That means we will only plot the points, but we will not link them together. So that we only left the point here. Okay, now we are going to draw a scatter diagram and we are going to answer some questions for it. Okay, now let's look at the table. The table below shows the working experience correct to the nearest month of 10 typists and their typing speed. Only we are up 10 of it. So why don't we just first of all write down the title first. The title is the working experience and then to their typing speed. So we write down it first. The working experience of 10 typists and their typing speed. Okay, now we have this one. And then after that, we will type the working experience here for the month. You will see here for the working experience for month, you will have starting from 1 until the 17. So that means we will have this 5. So then why don't we have this is 5? This is 10, this is 15, and this is 20 for this one. Okay, we have experience. The typing speed for this one, you will see starting from 20 to somewhere in 38. So that means why don't we want 5 of them? So this is 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay, so we have these 5. Okay, now what can we plot? For example, for the first pair, we have 5-month experience and then we have 28. So we will have 5 and then 28. We mark across here. This is represent the 5 and the 28. This is the first pair of it. The second one, we have the 2 and 20. So we have 1, 2, and 20. So this is the second point we are going to show this one. Okay, now for the third one is 17 and 36. Is 17 to 36. That means we have the answer here. This is the third one. And the fourth one is 15 and 38. So we have 15 and 38. So here. So we put 4 of them. And then next is 9 and 29. So we have 9 and 29. So we put here. Next is 11 and 31. So 11 and 31 here. This seventh one, we have 4 and 27. So we have 4 and 27. So we have 1 here. And now we will have the 7 and 23. And 7 and 23, we have 7 and 23 here. So we have the next one is 1 and 22. So 1 and 22 is here. The last one we have is 12 and 31 is 12 and 31. So we have put something here. So we have plot the figure like this. So what is the meaning of these numbers? So we are going to find we are going to find the exact number for the scatter diagram. Only we are going to find the trend and the relationship between two different things. For example, we will have the key points here. If we have the positive one, if we have the positive relationship, we will see it is increasing. That means because of x is increased, y is also increased. And for this one, it's called negative relationship. That means that x increase and y will decrease. Because x increase, y is so small. For x is so small, y is so big here. So this is a negative relation. And finally, the last one is no obvious because we cannot see anything just like this or just like this. So now, please of you look at this question, look at this example. So can you tell me what is the answer for the relationship between how does the typing speed change the working experience increase? So obviously, if the working experience is increased, so the answer of the typing speed is also increased. So first answer, the typing speed is also increases. This is the part B1. So part B2, what is the relationship between, obviously, this one it shows a positive one. So for part 2, the answer is the positive relationship. So this is part B. Okay, now this is the example for the teaching example 13.11. And now I will give you time to do the quick practice 13.11. Okay, now let's look at the questions. And now you are going to draw the figure also. Okay, I'm showing the figure. I'm going to draw it. So why don't you, if it's much better, you can download the exercise to do it by yourself. And then you can draw the figure on it and find out the answer to B questions. Okay, now if you are doing, so just pause the video now and I will distribute the answer in 5 seconds. So now pause the video until you finish. Okay, now I will present the answer for this quick practice 13.11. Okay, now this is the answer for the quick practice 13.11. So you will draw something like this for the part A, and then we will see obviously this is positive relationship. It go upwards as x and y.